everyone, this is Javed sir and welcome to my channel Cryptic Technologies Private Limited. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use escape sequence in C program. In the previous video, I have teach you how to write a simple C program which prints hello world in the output screen. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use escape sequence in the C program. Okay, I'm doing this program in Ubuntu, so let's start with a very simple program first and then I will teach you the advanced program. Okay, so let's start the Ubuntu first. Okay, first of all we need to start the text editor. Okay, so here is the text editor, and in this text editor we are going to write a simple C program. Okay, so let's start. Hash include stdio.h. okay, void main starting with ending with. Okay, so this is the structure of our C program. For writing every C program we need this structure. Okay, now I'm going to print a simple message. Okay, printf hello world. So it will print a simple message hello world on the output screen. Let me add one more statement. Printf welcome to C language. Okay, so this is a very simple program of C in which I have print two statements. The first statement is hello world and the second statement is welcome to C language. Okay, if I ask you the output of this program, what would be your answer? Obviously you can say that the output would be hello world and welcome to the C program. Okay, but in two lines or in one line? So probably you think that we have used two print statements, so the output will also come in two lines, but you will be very surprised that the output will come in single line. Okay, so let's save this program and let's run it and see the output of this program first. So save. So I'm going to save it main.c and on the home screen. Okay, save. Now start the terminal, and here I'm going to compile it and run it. For compiling we have a compiler gcc main.c. okay, now run it ./a.out. see the output of the program. As you can see that hello world welcome to C, it is in a single line. Okay, so by default it will write the output on the same line, means at the position where the cursor is. But if we want this in two line, then we can use escape sequence. So let's do it. So I want the output in two different lines, so we are going to use escape sequence \n. okay, here also and here also. So this \n is nothing but it is the escape sequence, and it is going to move the cursor on the new line. Okay, now you will see the output. Save it and run it again, compile it and run it. Okay, see, now it is coming in proper format. Okay, so this is the escape sequence. Okay, so from this example I think you have understood what is escape sequence is, but still I will give you more information about the escape sequence, the proper theory and all that. Okay, so here only I will show you escape sequence. So what exactly escape sequence is? So I'm going to define it first. And escape sequence is a special character. An escape sequence is a special character which is non-printable in nature. Okay, whenever we try to print them, they will do some work instead. It always starts with a backslash symbol, followed by one or more number of characters. Okay, so escape sequence are some non-printable character. It means that escape sequence are characters. Actually, it is a special characters which are non-printable. Whenever we try to print them, they will not print on the output screen. Okay, instead they do some work. Okay, as in the above example, we try to print this special character backslash n. Okay, so instead of printing, they move the cursor on the new line. Okay, they always starts with the backslash symbol. Okay, they always starts with the backslash symbol and followed by one or more characters. Okay, as in backslash n, backslash a, backslash b. Okay, so I'm going to give you the list of backslash characters. Okay, so character name and the description. Okay, so the first is backslash a. It is called as alert. It produce a beep sound. Okay, means whenever we try to print this character backslash a, it will produce a beep sound in our program. So if we want a beep sound in our program, simply we have to print backslash a. Then next is backslash b. It is called as backspace. So it will move the cursor one position back. Okay, so if we try to print backslash b, then it will move the cursor one position back. Okay, then next is backslash f. It is called as form feed. Move the cursor on the new page. Okay, so if you try to print \f, it will move the cursor on the new page. Means we know that the output screen is divided into number of pages. So if we are having two pages, and if we use \f on first page, logical page, then it will move the cursor on the starting of the new page. Okay, then the next is backslash n, which we have already used it, so it is called as new line. Move the cursor on the new line. Okay, so in the program, in the previous program, I have already teach you how \n works. Okay, next is \r, it is called as carriage return. Move the cursor on the start of same line. Okay, so \r is nothing but it is called as carriage return. Okay, if you try to print this character, then it will move the cursor. If you try to print this character, that is \r, then it will move the cursor on the starting of the same line. Okay, and the next is \t, it is called as horizontal tab. Move the cursor 8 position forward. \t, if you try to print \t, then it will move the cursor 8 position forward. It means that it will leave 8 blank spaces. Okay, and finally the last is \v, it is called as vertical tab, and it will move the cursor 8 position down. If we try to print this character, then it will move the cursor 8 position down. We can say that 8 times \n, so it will move the cursor on the 8 position down. Okay, so these are some of the escape sequence which I have teach you in this tutorial, in this video. There are lots more. Okay, but it is sufficient for beginners. It is sufficient. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to write one more program by using one of this escape sequence. Okay, so let's write one more program. Like if I want to move this welcome to C program on 8, I want to leave 8 spaces. Okay, then we can use \t. Now you can see the output. Compile it and run it again. Then it will leave 8 blank spaces. Okay, if I use here also \t, then it will also leave 8 blank spaces. So in this way we can use a simple C program in which we can use escape sequence. Okay, so this was a really very simple program. Now I'm going to show you a complex program where we can use different escape sequence, like okay, we are going to write a new program. In this program I'm going to use a different escape sequence. So I'm going to write this program, and you have to predict the output of this program. Okay, so printf hello, hello, cryptic. Okay, and in the next we are going to write world again, and technologies. Okay, so now you have to guess the output of this program. Okay, so if you are thinking that the output would be hello cryptic world technology, then probably you are thinking in a wrong direction, as I have teach you that \b is used to move the cursor one position back. Okay, so if I run this program, then you will see the different output. Okay, let's see the output of this program first. Okay, again compile it, run it, sorry, compile it and run it. See, the output of the program is nothing but cryptic technologies. Okay, and one more thing, we can use backslash in here for the proper output. Compile it, run it, see the output of the program, cryptic technologies. So most probably you were thinking that hello world will be printed, but it is not going to print. Now let's understood the output of the program. First we have print okay, output. First we have print hello. Okay, then we have use 5 time \b. \b will going to move the cursor one position back. Then again we have use, then again we have use, then 5 times we have use. It means that hello is going to replace by cryptic, and there is one space there, as you can notice here. There is one space, so cursor position will be here. Okay, then we have right world. Okay, so cursor position is here. Okay, cursor position is here. Now again we have use 5 time \b, so cursor position will come here and here and here and here and here, and finally it will print technologies, and the cursor will move on to the new line. Okay, so this is the final output of the program. Okay, so that's all for today. So in this video I have teach you how to use escape sequence in different ways. Okay, so if you have understood it, then you can practice it, and you can write different programs by using escape sequence. Okay, so if you have like this video, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, then please share it. Okay, thank you for now.